Ladies and gentlemen, our education system in Africa should embrace continual learning. You should not be satisfied because you have graduated in certain university of some certain degrees. That is not enough. You need to learn, especially to translate your education into a reality. One of our lecturers at our university told us that if you want to be taught everything at the university, you need to stay a few centuries at the university. So the universities are not enough for giving you all the education. You need to come out of university and start in asking yourself questions and searching for the outcomes and searching for opportunities from the education system, so that you may be able to translate what you know into a reality and into a business. So continuous learning is very important. Even many technologies are changing, so we should embrace also learning and unlearning, because as you know that the technologies are changing very fast, and some of the education knowledge which is being taught at our universities is becoming obsolete. So you need to unlearn what you are taught at your university and start looking for new ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to encourage you to look at the new ideas from the social network. You know, many Africans, when they go to social network, they are looking for political ideas, for political things. They are looking for music. They are looking for football. But there are very few Africans who are looking for technological ideas and how to do. So in Africa, we have cultivated a defeated mindset, because we are satisfied with the knowledge we have provided at the university, which is not enough to create opportunities. So it's high time, ladies and gentlemen, we embrace continual learning. Whom can you learn from? You can learn from somebody who is unlearned but is dealing with such business or such activities. You can learn from your fellow intellectuals. You can learn from conferences and whatever. You can learn from the internet. You know, if you want to know on how to do many technological things, you can just check at the social networks and from the internet, and by so doing you can ask yourself, how am I going to translate what I've learned into a reality and into a business? So we need to create new business activities. You know, Africans are thinking on very, very old ideas, but there are new ideas. There are also very old ideas which have been translated into businesses in Europe and other countries, but in Africa we cannot follow those ideas up to now, because we are not learning. We are bragging about our certificates, our degrees, our PhDs and whatever, but that is not in fact enough. We need to embrace continual learning.